Good afternoon, all of you. So now, before I start the class today. So let us discuss about the difficult situation we all are facing, and that is in this Corona pandemic to protect ourselves. How to protect ourselves? So these are the steps. I hope all of you are following these steps. And it is the moral responsibility as a citizen that you should educate your neighbors, the community people with whom you all people are living. Tell no issues. Okay, sorry, I'm just sharing my screen. So I hope you all are aware of this. So you have to be very alert and serious because as winter is spreading, coming near, it is really the cases are increasing day by day. In Delhi, you must have heard that yesterday 131 death cases were noted, and in Lucknow also I think the cases will increase. So it is our responsibility to protect ourselves. Okay, now I would like to proceed with the class. Last time in the video, you people have learned that. But Gayatri Chopra, please switch it off. Your video I am talking about, and Veda Jan also, but please switch your video off. All of you, please switch your video off because in during the transmission it really matters because it consumes bandwidth. Okay, now, so last time you all have studied what is menu driven, right? Children, menu driven, right or not? Okay, so here today we are going to do one more menu driven question, and here the name of the class is interest, and in this you just see that the first menu is for simple interest, and second is compound interest. These are the two options which are there. So I hope that everybody knows the formula of simple interest, that is P into R into T by 100, and the formula for compound interest also I hope everybody knows. And if anybody don't know, please tell me. The formula for compound interest, that is CI, is P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power T minus P. So this is the formula. This inverted B represents power. So 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power T minus P. This is the formula. In fact, P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power T minus P. So I hope you people have understood the formula, and now we would like to proceed. Any query, then please tell. Class 8th. Now start with the main method, and here we have to declare some variables. The first variable, and every variable I'm taking as double type. I have taken this and this CI, that is this, and then what to do, I need to take choice. So children, this is very important. Scanner SS new scanner system.in, and here what to do is, this is the first choice, that's simple interest, and here this is compound interest. So children, these two are the valid choices. And after these many valid choices, what you have to do, enter choice, that is ss.next.int. So now children, in order to do manual driven, you have to use if else if. So here if choice is 1, we have to do something. If choice is 2, we have to do something. And in case of else, the message will be wrong choice. So children, when choice is 1, you have to calculate simple interest. When choice is 2, you have to calculate compound interest. When choice is other than these two, it is wrong choice. Choice 1, enter P, R and T. So that is P, which is ss.next double. Then R is ss.next double and T is ss.next double. So we have got this, and then as I apply this formula, which is P into R into T upon 100. And after that, what to do is, it is the simple interest. The simple interest is SI. The simple interest is SI, so this is what I have done. And now what to do is, what we have to do, that is compound interest. So in compound interest also children, we have to input these three values only. And after that we can input, we can calculate compound interest. So for calculating compound interest, we have to apply this formula, which is Ci is equals to P into math.pow 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power T minus P. This is the formula. And after that, here what to do is, the compound interest is this one. So if you have not understood, then please tell. So children, in case of simple interest, suppose choice is 1, we have entered 1000 and then 10 and then 4. So you can see that the simple interest is 400. And in a similar way, if I select this choice and it is 1000 and it is 10 and it is 2, it is 210. You can see that the interest is 210. And supposingly the values are exactly same we entered for simple interest last time. So it is 464. Last time it was 400, but here it is 464. It is what? It is compound interest. And if you have any query, any doubt, then please tell. So please tell if you have any doubt, any queries. Class 8th. Okay, so this is all about simple interest and compound interest when we talk about that manual driven, right? Okay, now one more question we are going to do, and that is choice 1, degree degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. This is the first choice, and second choice is degree Fahrenheit to but in that case the output will be wrong choice. Akshat Singh, in that case 1 and 2, that in if the values are apart from 1 and 2, the choice will be wrong choice every time. The choice will be wrong choice and it is every time. Got it? Okay, now children, here the same we are going to use. So here the name of the class, suppose the name of the class is temperature. The name of the class is temperature, and here we have to convert that. So how to convert? It is the main method, and here it is Celsius, it is Fahrenheit, and here okay. And here one more variable is void int choice. And now what to do is just have this scanner class. So what to do is choice 1, and what is that choice? The first choice is degree Celsius to this, and then this is the second choice, and now here you have to enter the choice. So choice is ss.nextint. So children, this is the very first choice. Now what to do? Children, I hope you all know this formula of the formula is C upon 5 equals to F minus 32 upon 9. So children, this is what C upon 5 is equals to F minus 32 by 9. This is the formula. So using this relation, we can find the formula of Celsius and Fahrenheit. Yes. But this is the relation. Okay. C upon 5 is equals to F minus 32 by 9. This is the relation. 9 upon 5 is equals to, if you want to write like that, so 9 upon 5 is equals to F minus 32 upon C, it will be. Then in that case, the degree Celsius will come down. Got it? And now, if choice is 1, in that case, you have to enter temperature in degree Celsius. So first of all, we have to write enter temp in degree C, and that is Celsius is equals to SS dot next double, and now Fahrenheit is equals to, apply this formula, that is 9 into C upon 5 plus 32. This is the formula making F as a subject. Making F as a subject. So now the temperature in degree F, the temp in degree F is this. So if anybody is having any doubt, please ask. And you all know how to make the formula using a variable as a subject. In class 7th only you all must have studied. So else if choice is two, then what to do? Enter temp in degree F, and that is Fahrenheit is SS dot next double, and now apply the formula for Celsius. So that is Celsius is 5 into that Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 9. This is the formula making Celsius as a subject. And after that, we can write simply as the temperature degree F is, the temperature in degree C is Celsius. This is what I have done. Then it will come else part, and here we have to write functions. So dear children, if you have any confusion, then please tell. We have used that formula, and we have used that relation, and then after we made two different formulas, one for Fahrenheit and one for Celsius. So now I would like to execute this. So children, the first choice, and suppose 120 degrees Celsius is, so the in Fahrenheit it is 248 degrees. And now suppose it is choice 2 and 248 degree Fahrenheit I have entered, so it is 120 degrees Celsius. It is coming like that. So it simply means that both are correct and are working. So in case if you have any query, any doubt, then please ask. So this is how you can write menu driven programs. So children, now next question. Now the next question is choice 1 area of circle, and choice 2, that is diagonal of rectangle. Now I'm going to ask who is going to help me. So just wait. Uh, Oh, Aviral Pandey, Aviral Pandey, Prakriti Bansal is there. Yes, beta, please help me. I'm just going to write a menu-driven program. So you have to guide me what to do. There are two valid choices. First is the first is area of circle. So the first is area of circle and the second is diagonal of rectangle in choice and double radius, and one variable is area. The other two variables are length and breadth. So children, these many variables are there. These are the variables. Now what to do? Please tell. Okay, we can use one more variable. वैसे तो कर सकते थे. Okay, fine. Now we have to declare the scanner class. That is the scanner SS, new scanner system.in. So children, here what to do is we have to just display the choices, the valid choices. So the first valid choice is area of the circle, and then area of the circle, the first valid choice, and second valid choice is area of the no, it is beta whosoever is, please mute yourself. A lot of disturbance is coming, so all of you please be muted. When you want to ask anything, then unmute yourself and then ask. So this is what area of and diagonal of the rectangle. Now you have to enter the choice. Enter choice. That is ss dot next. No, sorry, it is ss dot next int. This is one of the valid choice. And then what to do? If choice is 1, if choice is 2, wrong choice. Now choice is 1. So in the very first choice, what you need to do is enter radius of the circle. So that is radius, and it is ss dot next double. And here we have to calculate area, that is math dot pi into radius into radius. This is what you can. And after that, what to do is the area of the circle is that area. So the first thing we have done, the first valid choice is okay, and now the second choice. So what is about the second choice? It is diagonal of the rectangle. So apply the formula, and here we need to enter length first. So that is length is ss dot next double enter breadth. So these are the two things we have done, and now diagonal is that is math dot sqrt length into length plus breadth into breadth. This is the formula. That is the square of the square root of the square of the length plus the square of the breadth. And here the diagonal of the square is diagonal. So this is how we have to apply. And now children, suppose this is the second choice, and here I'm just writing the length is 9. It is not 9, it is okay, and it is 25. The diagonal is 26.57. In a similar way, if it is 3 and it is 4, it is 5.0, which is coming perfectly. And here one more, the very first part, which is choice 1, and it is 12.45. This is the radius. So the area is 486.9547 approx. So children, in case if you have any query, if you want to ask anything, please ask. Yes. So it simply means that there is some problem with the braces, because if you want to keep only one statement within F, you need not to specify the brace. If I remove these braces here, the same type of error will come, which you are telling me. That is else without F. You can see that. So it simply means that here proper braces must be there. Got it? Anything else? Please ask, children. It is the time to ask. Okay, so one question I am giving you homework, and you all have to solve this question by the 9 p.m. today, and you have to mail. Choice 1, calculate area of right angled triangle. This is the first. And second is calculate area of equilateral triangle. So children, first of all, you must know the formula for calculating the area of equilateral and then calculating the area of rectangle. So I hope you all know this formula. And if not, then please tell. Area of So children, here it is root 3 by 4 into side square. This is the formula. It is what? Root 3 upon 4 into side into side. This is the formula you can apply. So if you want to ask anything, you just ask. So this much is yes. So what? The question which I have given you, you can do that question also. What is the problem in doing that question? Okay, no issues. Sir has given that if the price is less than or equals to 500, the discount is this. And if 5,501 to 1,000, discount is this, otherwise this. So you have to enter the price and calculate the discount. And after that, you have to subtract the discount because the actual amount will be the amount given minus discount. Got it? So apply the formula and calculate. It is if and else if again. But it is not manual driven, it is the simple question. So all of you can do this also, no issues. So children, if you want to ask anything, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave. This is the end of the class today. Thank you.